Alright, now we're ready to do this review. Whew, God, I'm so sorry it's taking so long. But it needed to happen. So, okay, here we go. Let me see. Let me do this. Running out of these things too. Okay. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna put this is a scented ink. Okay, let's take a look at this bottle. Exclusive handmade ink for fountain pens. Red, color red, fragrance roses. Content 45 milliliters. Made in Germany, red roses. And there's the picture, beautiful picture of the red roses. It's this beautiful red ink. I just love it. And it smells so nice. When you open the bottle, you can definitely smell it. It smells just like red roses. Not orange or yellow or green roses, but red roses, which is really nice. Can't really smell it on the paper once it's... Let's see. I can't even smell it in the pen, but I know it's there. Here is our ink of the day. I made a little mess, but it's fine. It's a very potent ink. I don't see any shading whatsoever. Here's our ink swatch. Water resistance test shows it does have a little bit of water resistance. However, it is such a light color that I might not use this on the outside of an envelope for fear it may wash away. And here's our toilet paper chromatography. It's got like a gray bit that was left down, and then this it's like not magenta, but it's like a very reddish pink. Okay, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is Eaton's Coruscable bound typewriter paper, 20 pounds, 75 GSM. Looks really nice and bold. No feathering, no bleeding, lots of ghosting. This is Copperplate Graph Pad from JohnNeilBooks.com. Again, very bold. No feathering, no little bit of bleeding, little bit of ghosting. Rhodia Dot Pad, 80 GSM. Very bold. No feathering, no bleeding, little bit of ghosting. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. Very bold. Little bits of feathering. No bleeding, little bit of ghosting. Oxford single subject notebook paper. Nice and bold. No feathering, no bleeding, little bit of ghosting. CVS caliber filler paper. Very nice and bold. No feathering, no bleeding, barely any ghosting. Pelican Hub notepad. Nice. A little bit of spread, a little bit of wiggle. no bleeding, barely any ghosting. Parent Fig. Nice and bold, no feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. This is a very bold ink. Maruman Namasani 80 GSM. Nice and bold, no feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of heavy ghosting maybe. This is Sanzan Tomoe River. A little bit of feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. This is the Nanami 7 Seas 68 GSM Tomoe River. Beautiful. No feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. The Jot envelope from the Dollar Tree. Feather like a chicken, bled to the page. And this is reused notebook paper. Nice and bold, minimal feathering, minimal bleeding and ghosting. Cool. Okay, let's do some books. Muji notebook paper. A little bit of spread, a little bit of feathering, a little bit of bleeding and ghosting. Oops, I forgot to move that. Got little bits of bleeding and ghosting. Alright, Archon Olive 160 GSM notebook paper. Nice and bold, no feathering. Oops. No bleeding, no ghosting. Perfect. M. Shoy 120 GSM. A little bit of spread, but no feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. Anecdote notebook paper. Barely any feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of micro bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. Nice, a little bit of spread, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. Running out of Ayush. I forgot to write it. This is Ayush 100 GSM notebook paper. Beautiful, nice and bold, no feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. The Jot Journal from the Dollar Tree. Looks really nice. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. Perfect. Oh yeah. Walgreens Pharmacy. Wexford. No feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. Oh my back. Okay, let's. This is Midori MD paper. Looks really nice. No feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. 68 GSM Tomoe River. GSM Tomoe River. Nice and bold. No feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. Daiso Premium Notebook Paper. Looks really nice. No feathering, no bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. And a Leuchtturm 1917 Plain. Looks really nice. No feathering, no bleeding. A little bit of ghosting. Oh, a little bit of micro bleeding maybe. Okay, let's do a comparison panel to see where this thing lies. do that. Alright. Here is our ink of the day. Okay. Is this a pink? Is it a red? We're going to find out. We're going to look at some pink inks first. And then we will look at some red inks. Oh, this claret is kind of close. This vineyard is kind of close. See, I told you this was a pink ink. Even though it says red. Excuse me. Vibrant pink is getting kind of close. This one's darker. This Noodler's Rose Coral is kind of close. Even this Star Ruby is kind of close. This Autumn and Rose is kind of close. Sip. Suji's kind of close. Okay, that's all for the pinks. Let's try some red inks. I don't think this is a red ink, but I could could be wrong. Nope, I'm definitely not wrong. This is a pink ink. No, this Monte Grappa red is kind of close. Dante Alighieri's kind of close. It's a little bit darker, a little more saturated. That's Royal Rhubarb is kind of close. It's a little darker though, also more saturated. And the Karenina is a little more saturated. Yeah, this is definitely going in the pink department. Alright, and that's it for the reds. Well, what did you guys think about today's ink? You guys think of thoughts about getting this ink? Do you have this ink? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all I've got for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe. Ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. I'd like to give a huge shout out to my members, Cynthia, Rahul, Wolf, Kate Witch, Arcboy, Vermilion, T, Simply Obs, Lynette, and Womble Bumblebee. If you'd like to become a member, you can do so for as low as 99 cents a month. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description to my website. Join the calligraphy class, check out the paper reviews page, join the Discord, and if you'd like to save 10% off on your next order to Pen Boutique or Atlas Stationers, I am an affiliate. When you use my link, you get a discount, and I get a small commission so that I can make better content for all of you. And that just leaves me to say, get out there and enjoy your life. Be with the people you love. Tell them you love them, and I love you to pieces. Have a great day. Okay, bye.